Hey guys, today I'm going to create a frosty, wintry eye look today. So let's begin. Alright, switching over to voiceover. Starting off with my Lancome Teint Idole Foundation, prepping and priming my face. Then I'm using the About Face Eyeshadow Primer, which I believe is Halsey's brand, and it actually works pretty well. So again, using my Colourpop Stone Cold Fox palette, which appears to be my go-to palette at the moment. Starting off with the color Trip, and using that as a foundational base shade. Now I'm going in with the color of Rumor Mill and just creating a smoky look. So concentrating that on the outer edges of the lid. Okay guys, this is my favorite part. Going in with Magnetic Moon. Look how pretty and pigmented this shade is. It immediately adds this frosty eye look that's perfect for either a smoky eye for a night out on the town or a winter wonderland eye look. I'm also taking Rumor Mill and brushing it onto the lower lash line. I think it just adds more congruency. So a fun thing I like to do is I also like to take my Fenty Beauty Highlighter and use it as eyeshadow. So I like to highlight my inner corners. I think it really makes the eyes pop. And I also use it to highlight the brow bone as well. Now I'm going in with my Clinique Pretty Easy Liquid Lining Pen, and I'm drawing kind of like an extended wing, I suppose. I don't really like to make the flip too angled. I just like it to be an extension of the eye. I think it looks more natural that way, and it's more flattering to my monolid eyes. But to each his own. Okay, so this is totally optional, but I like to take my Urban Decay 24/7 eyeliner pencil in this green, mossy green shade of Stash, and I just like to trace over the lines because with monolid eyes, sometimes the liner can be quite thick. Now I'm just curling my lashes. I'm using the Shiseido eyelash curler, which tends to work well for my Asian lashes. And then now I'm using the Lancome Hypnose Drama Waterproof Mascara, which to me, I've seen the best results for my monolid lashes. And then I'm going in with the Too Faced You Drive Me Glazy holiday palette from last year, and I like to take their blush shade and just furiously brushing it on. I don't know about you, but my face tends to eat the blush. And now I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty Highlighter and just highlighting the upper parts of the cheekbone. I'm going to concentrate it on my nose as well, and I just want to look like a glazed donut too as well. Okay, now using my Urban Decay Vice lipstick in the shade 1993. I think it's just a perfect chocolate matte lip, which is perfect for fall or the holidays. And I like to layer the Lancome Lait Absolute lacquer over it to create a glossy look. Voila, this is a finished look. I think it is a perfect winter wonderland eye look. And I think what really creates this effect is the Magnetic Moon shade from the Colourpop Stone Cold Fox palette. It's just such a silvery, frosty shade that's like perfect for a Christmas holiday-esque look. And to top things off, I would highly encourage wearing a festive sweatshirt. This one I got from Loft as a little hot cocoa on it with candy cane, so cute. And even if you have any ears, I would also encourage putting on ears. I think it's just really cute this time of year. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.